Okay guys, so this is a continuation of the final activity for the Treasure Box 3D and augmented reality render. So what I intend to do in this section is to animate the lead. Okay, so we have the top section of the lead and we have the actual lead. And what we're going to do is we're going to hold one of the objects and then press and hold with one finger, and with another finger at the same time we're going to select the base. So what we want to do now is we want to group those two objects. When we group the two objects, we are ready to animate. What we are going to do next is going to press at the top next to the properties tool. There is the behaviors tool. So we press there and we're going to press plus and we're going to add a behavior. So we're going to add custom behavior. In the trigger, we're going to press on the trigger and we're going to add a trigger to this behavior, and the trigger is going to be tap. After that, we're going to add an action sequence. For that action sequence, we're going to tap on it and we're going to select the option move, rotate, scale to. So we tap on that option and then by default, it's going to move our piece along one of the axes, but we don't want that. So we're going to slide our finger and scroll all the way towards the bottom, and in the position we're gonna press clear to clear all the movements from X, Y, Z. So now what we're going to do is going to pull in this case, pull from the arrow, from the blue arrow, so the lead moves forward. Okay, depending on the way you drew your box, you could be pulling from the red arrow. After that, we're going to add another action sequence. So we're going to, where it says action sequence, we're going to press on that plus and we're going to add another behavior and scroll all the way to the bottom, and then there is an option that says wait. We're going to tap on that and the duration is going to be 1 second, and then we're going to do another movement. Okay, so we're going to just duplicate the move, rotate, scale to action sequence that we created before. We're going to select it, tap on it, and then tap and hold. And then we're going to use that menu that we get there to duplicate the action. Once the action is duplicated, we're going to drag across and over where it says wait and then release it. So we should have this order. We should have tap, move, rotate, then wait, then move, rotate again. In the final move, rotate, we want to close the box again. So we need to return this lead back to its original position. So we're going to pull from the blue arrow and send the lead back. Now we're going to test this action sequence and to see how it went and preview it in augmented reality. Okay, to preview in augmented reality, we're going to go into the AR menu button at the top. And then this allows us to put our box in the space. Once we are happy with the position of the box, we're going to press play, which is next to the AR. Now we are going to be able to press on the lead, and this can give us a view from different positions. So ideally, you will be able to do this. As an extension activity, you might want to be wanting to put some items inside the box and see how it houses items.